Hi, and welcome to Five Star Locals, where we bring you five-star businesses that are local to you. My name is Rob Richards. I'm very excited to have pediatric dental specialist Dr. Marissa Felden Suarez joining me today. Dr. Marissa is the owner of Smile Street Dentistry in Culver City. Welcome, Dr. Marissa.
Hi, thank you, Rob, for having me.
Oh, my pleasure. Hey, quick question for you, Dr. Marissa. You know, there are literally hundreds of people who are going online every day looking for a new pediatric dentist in their communities. What kind of advice would you give to somebody looking for a new pediatric dentist online?
Yeah, Rob, first and foremost, the first mode of advice I would give anybody looking out for a new pediatric dentist in their area is to first and foremost consider their online reputation by taking a look at their online reviews. These days, many people are very computer savvy, internet savvy, and with the development of social media, a lot of people will express their true feelings of how they feel about their dentist or pediatric dentist online. So you first and foremost want to take a look at their online reputation, how many stars they have, how well rated they are by the community. And secondly, Rob, I would take into consideration their education and experience. After you've found somebody online that you may potentially want to visit, you can check out their website and see how, what kind of experience they have in the community, how involved they are in community events and in promoting oral health. And thirdly, what I would recommend any person to find in a pediatric dentist is to see how comfortable they are with their dentist. So when you do finally decide to pick a dentist of your choosing to bring your child to, you want to make sure that you and your child are 100% comfortable with the environment, with the dentist, and with the staff. A lot of times you can tell a lot by how the dentist is, by how their demeanor of the staff is. So you want to make sure your child and yourself are fully comfortable with that.
Well, that's great advice, Dr. Marissa. I especially like the ideas of checking online for the reviews and seeing what other people have experienced, definitely looking at the expertise and experience that they have, as well as ultimately what each person had as an experience at the office. And I know, Dr. Marissa, that each person's experience is very unique, but can you tell us, please, if someone were to call your office or come in today for treatment, what kind of experience they might expect to have?
When calling Smile Street Pediatric Dentistry, you can expect to find the demeanor of the staff is very, very calm, very patient, and you can just find a kid-friendly environment. I strive really hard to make this first experiences, continuing dental experiences, positive experiences as for a child. As you know, trauma can start very early in childhood with regards to dentistry, so you want to make sure everything is positive, they come in positive, they leave positive, and you want to make sure that anxiety is addressed for children, because that's one of the most common findings we have with children. So you can expect a great positive experience, you can expect patience, you can expect that we communicate very well with what your child's needs are dentally, and also you can expect that we educate your family and your children in preventive dentistry and how to maintain proper home care, and continuing to keep that oral health positive so that future dental experiences are good ones.
Fantastic. That's great. It sounds like a great picture for parents to have in mind when considering whether to give you or another dentist a call. It's fantastic. I also know, Dr. Marissa, that you enjoy helping people out. Obviously, as a pediatric dentist, it's something very special and near to your heart. Do you have any kind of specials right now that you can offer our video audience for coming into the office today?
Yes, of course, Rob. We never want financial burden to be a hindering factor in why patients don't come in to assess the health of their child's mouth and their teeth and their gums. So we do, for our video viewers, we do offer a free initial consultation as well as free initial second opinions. We want to make sure that you're 100% sure what your child needs, that you understand exactly what their oral health needs are, and so we present that offer to our viewers today.
Oh, that's fantastic. Well, thank you for that. That's very generous. So, what's the best way, Dr. Marissa, for our audience to reach out to you and connect?
The best way for them to reach us is by calling our office. We'd be happy to discuss any questions with the parents, or if they have any questions with regards to insurance, anything. They can call us at the number featured on the screen, 310-391-8787. Or you can go ahead and visit our website or any of our social media applications. Our website is smilestreetdentistry.com, and we're on Twitter, we're on Instagram, and we're on Facebook.
Fantastic. Well, thank you so much, Dr. Marissa, for your time. I appreciate you taking time out of your busy day to meet with us today and to share with our audience just some great advice about what it would take to find a wonderful new pediatric dentist in their own communities, and then also sharing the experience that people can expect to have at your practice, as well as that great offer. So again, friends, if you're looking for a new pediatric dentist in Culver City or any of the other surrounding communities to Culver City, give Dr. Marissa a call at Smile Street Dentistry. Her number again is 310-391-8787, or you can reach them at smilestreetdentistry.com. Thanks again, Dr. Marissa, for joining us. It was a pleasure having you.
Thank you so much for having me.